Hi, I'm Patricia.
I'm Gabby.
And this little guy is, what's your name? Lucas. So I'm very excited because I've been wanting for a while to try a probiotic with it, Lucas. And I have here Mama Select Infant Probiotic, and it comes in a powder form. So I can't wait to start using so he can get more regular, because it should help him with constipation. It should help him with, although he's outgrown the colic, but I wish I had this when he was an infant. So it would, I'm sure it would have helped him a lot more than the drops I was using. And yeah, it should help with if your baby is suffering from other stomach problems. It can also help him with that. Yeah, you wanna play with this for a little bit? Mommy has to open it. So it also says here on the package that it's easy to mix and flavorless. So that gives me the idea that you can put in their milk, yogurt, soup, any type of liquid, including formula, but he doesn't drink formula anymore, but for infants that's a great thing. Let's open this. I can tell this is gonna be very easy to mix. It's very fine. Let's close this. I'm gonna put you on your dinner. How about that? We can start tonight. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.